The story of Viral Penguin, a journey of courage, hope, and heart. Once upon a time, in the vast, snowy lands of Antarctica, there lived a young penguin named Pico. Pico was no ordinary penguin. Ever since he was a chick, he was curious and brave. While others waddled slowly and stayed close to the group, Pico would explore the icy shores, watch the waves crash, and dream of reaching beyond the horizon. Pico lived with his family in a large colony of emperor penguins. Every morning, the sun would rise over icy peaks and illuminate the frozen sea. The other penguins would huddle together for warmth, sliding on their bellies, playing and sharing fish. But Pico felt a pull in his heart, a desire to do something big and meaningful, something that would make a difference. A day that changed everything. One cold winter morning, when the wind was sharp and the sky was pale gray, the colony noticed something unusual. A huge piece of ice had broken off from a distant glacier and drifted toward their shore. The adults warned that such icebergs could be dangerous, but they also knew that sometimes, life brought unexpected challenges. Curious and fearless, Pico decided to slide closer to the floating ice. As he approached, he heard a faint cry. At first, he thought it was the wind, but the sound grew louder. It was a soft, trembling chirp, a cry for help. Pico looked around and saw something that made his heart beat faster. A young seal pup was trapped on the edge of the drifting ice. Every time the iceberg tipped, the pup slid dangerously close to the freezing water. Pico's first thought was fear. What if he couldn't help? What if the ice shifted and he fell in? But the pup's eyes met his, full of fear and helplessness. That moment changed everything. Pico knew he had to act. The rescue begins. Pico slid toward the seal pup carefully. The ice was slippery and unstable. With every slide, Pico's heart thumped like a drum. But he told himself, I can do this. I must help. Pico reached the pup and chirped gently. The pup looked at him, scared but hopeful. Pico nudged the pup toward a safer corner of the iceberg. But the ice shifted suddenly, and both of them slipped. The pup let out a terrified squeal. Pico gathered strength he didn't know he had. He pushed and pulled, using every ounce of courage inside him. Slowly, they moved toward a more stable flat part of the ice. But the iceberg was still drifting into deeper water. Pico knew he needed help. A brave call for help. Pico sprinted back to the shore as fast as his little feet could carry him. The wind cut through his feathers, but he didn't stop. He slid across the snow, chirping loudly and calling for the colony. The other penguins gathered and listened as Pico chirped urgently. At first, they didn't understand. But when they saw Pico's serious eyes and heard the fear in his voice, they followed him. Together, the penguins marched toward the drifting iceberg. Some adults called to the penguins at the edge to stay back. They were careful but determined. Pico led the way, saving the seal pup. When they reached the floating ice, the seal pup was cold and trembling, but still alive. The adult penguins formed a line on the snow and ice. They slid forward one by one, pushing the pup slowly towards safety. It was not easy. The iceberg tilted and shook, threatening to break into pieces. Every second felt like a lifetime. But no one gave up. Pico watched as the seal pup moved closer to solid ground. The colony worked together, pushing with their flippers, encouraging each other with loud chirps. Finally, the pup was safe on the snowy shore. Pico rushed forward and nudged the pup. The pup looked at him and wagged its tail gently. Pico's heart warmed. It was one of the happiest moments of his life. The video that changed the world. At that moment, a team of wildlife filmmakers, who were on a research ship nearby, captured the entire rescue on video. They had been filming the penguin colony for a nature documentary. But when they saw Pico's bravery and the teamwork of the penguins, they knew they had something extraordinary. They uploaded the video to the internet, and within hours, it began to spread like wildfire. People all over the world watched the courageous young penguin who risked everything to save a friend in need. Millions of views turned into billions. The video was shared on social media, on TV, in schools, and even in speeches. Pico became known around the world as the viral penguin. Messages of hope and courage. The video touched people's hearts everywhere. Children wrote letters to Pico. Teachers used the story to teach lessons about kindness and bravery. Adults shared the video with their friends, saying it reminded them of what truly matters in life, helping others, standing up in difficult moments, and working together. People began to talk about how animals, too, can show compassion and courage. Many said they cried when they saw the moment Pico didn't give up. Scientists and nature lovers praised the penguin colony for their unity and selflessness. But for Pico, he didn't care about fame. He simply did what he felt in his heart was right. He saved a life because he could not stand by and do nothing. The seal pup's new family. The seal pup was named Sunny by the researchers. After the rescue, Sunny stayed with the penguin colony for a little while, learning to be strong and healthy. Pico and Sunny became best friends. Sunny watched Pico play and swim every day. Pico taught Sunny how to slide on snow and how to find fish in shallow waters, though Sunny was a seal and already knew how to swim well. The bond between them warmed the hearts of everyone who saw them. One day, Sunny returned to the sea, as seals belong to the ocean. Before he left, he hugged Pico gently with his flipper. "Thank you," he seemed to say. Pico chirped back, smiling. He knew Sunny would be safe and happy. Life after fame. Even after the video went viral, Pico stayed humble. He continued to explore the icy shores. He played with his friends and cared for his family. But something changed inside him. He became more confident, more hopeful, and more certain that every small act of kindness can create a big wave of change. People began visiting the penguin colony not to disturb them, but to study and protect their environment. The world started talking more about climate change, melting ice, and how important it is to protect the homes of penguins and seals. Pico didn't know about all this at first. But when he saw the researchers return with new tools to study climate change, he felt happy. He heard the adults say that Pico's video inspired many people to care for the earth. Pico looked out at the endless sea and thought about how one small moment, one brave choice, can touch the hearts of millions. A message for the world. The story of Pico, the viral penguin, became more than a video. It became a symbol of hope, courage, and unity. People wrote books about his journey. Artists painted murals. Musicians wrote songs inspired by his bravery. Children dressed as Pico during school plays. Everyone wanted to share his message. When you see someone in need, help them. Courage does not always roar. Sometimes it whispers, "Try again tomorrow." Kindness makes us stronger together. Leaders spoke about Pico's story at global events. They reminded the world that no matter how small or different you are, you can make a difference. Pico's legacy. Pico never thought he would become famous. He only followed his heart. And that simple act of bravery changed the world in ways he could never imagine. Even years later, when Pico grew old, penguins and seals still told the story of how one little penguin saved a friend. And every time the winds howled across the ice, it was as if the frozen world whispered back, "Be brave. Be kind. Reach beyond the horizon." And in the hearts of people everywhere, Pico's name lived on, as a reminder that courage is not about being fearless. Courage is about feeling the fear and choosing to act for the good of others.